How do you do? It's Lukie-Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey-Poo, and my kids call me Dad, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty, financing packages, a full-service department, and camping after your purchase at our historic Crystal Fountain Park. We think you'll enjoy your time learning about your new RV and hearing the story of how we restored our small town's iconic landmark. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2005 Born-Free 26 RB with 54,138 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2005 Born-Free 26 RB. Fantastic fan in the center of the coach, runs on the coach battery system. Acts like an attic fan at night. Will bring the cool outside air in from your screen windows here on the passenger or here on the driver's side. Can also be an exhaust fan if needed. All of these Born-Frees were built with steel roll bar construction. Got one in the center of the coach here, about 73 inches here at this roll bar casement, about 76 inches of headroom here in the coach throughout in the rear. That tapers up to about 83 inches here in the front, 80 inches here at this front roll bar casement. TV antenna crank, you do not want to drive around with that up. Thermostat here is going to control your HVAC from your air conditioner here in the center of the coach. That's going to run on your generator or your shore power plug-in only, or your propane furnace. Got a mixture of hard surface and carpet flooring. Jackknife sofas. Pull out on the front here. These are going to come out and make your sleeping areas, as well as our bunk up overhead. You can flip this bunk up like so. It's going to give you easier access to the cab. You just flip that down. Also makes great storage for your bunk ladder. I'm going to drop some pictures now so you can see what this looks like made up and get some measurements. The sofa bases in the upright position measure approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back in the RV and 19 inches east-west or side-to-side. When deployed, the jackknife sofas measure approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back and 42 inches east-west or side-to-side. The storage beneath the jackknife sofas is accessible from inside or outside of the RV. The cab over bunk measures approximately 68 inches north-south or front to back and 83 inches east-west or side-to-side. TV here is on a swivel mount. This has a built-in DVD player. Lots of drawers here inside this cabinet, as well as a slide-out pantry for all of your camping delicacies, including your s'mores kit, two-way fridge freezer, leave that in the auto setting. It's going to do what it needs to do to stay cool, as long as you have the appropriate fuel. Power there's where the microwave is plugged into. Levels test here do not consider these gospel. They're notoriously finicky. Water pump's going to pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank to your sink, shower, toilet. Hood light and fan here for the 3-burner propane cooktop. Nice solid surface counter space here with a plug-in for your air fryer or coffee pot. A little bit of boo-boos there in the bottom of the right sink basin. Another outlet there on the front of the kitchen cabinets. Drawer with a counter extension, cutting board in the kitchen. It's the fresh water tank. Nice sized drawer here beneath the cooktop. Got some marks in the bottom of that. More access down beneath. You can open this cabinet door better here if you have the bathroom door open. It's our electrical panel there. Large mirror on the back of the bathroom door. Makes that nice for getting ready before you head out for your adventure. Actual porcelain stool, it's very easy to access that. Not much of a step up and in at all here into the shower space. Good amount of room with a curtain to help contain the water. Exhaust fan overhead. Solid surface countertops. Mirrors here in the bathroom area with a medicine cabinet. Storage beneath the sink. Plug-in for your curling iron. Propane and electric water heater. Access to this closet here. Get this secret spot here up top that you can only get to through the bathroom. There's access down here. It's going to get you in where the water heater is. You can access that from the outside as well. Moving now to our entryway. Got a little storage rack here for your sunscreens, coach battery disconnect, noxious gas detector, and a fire extinguisher. Really to help you get up and in with some light switches as you come up and into the coach. Another rack with a hook for your hat. Screen door is nice for airflow. Get access to the wardrobe here where you can hang your jackets and things that you can also access from the bathroom. Access that lower cabinet right there. What do termites say when they see a house on fire? Barbecue tonight. Scratch here on the cabinet door in the bathroom area. So it's like here with the bunk ladder deployed. There's a screen window on both sides up in the bunk. Spot for your phones and things. A couple of screw holes here. A few marks up in the front of the bunk. Plug in over here for cell phones with a spot to tuck your things. A couple more screw holes here on the cabinet as well as here. Power here behind the TV with coax in. A couple of scrapes on that. Another compartment up here. Nice motorhome here with the born-free quality you know and love. This unit's gone through our full process here at Kuhn Truck and RV. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale. Answer any questions you may have. We highly recommend you stay with us for your first night here in small town Sherwood, Ohio at Crystal Fountain Park. It's going to give you a good opportunity to digest everything from your big day here, picking up your motorhome. And if you have any questions or anything that needs buttoned up, we'll be here to help you do all that. Check this motorhome out at truckandrv.com. I'm going to call this one an 8.5 out of 10. You can check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise, and CD. Flex steel seats are very comfortable. Not seeing any signs of smoking. No funny burns, stains, tears, no funny smells. A little bit of puckering there on this portion as you see when people slide in and out there, getting in and out of the coach. Cigarette lighter's unused, so it's tough to say for certain. I'm going to call this a non-smoker. We have an aftermarket backup camera here. We install a lot of backup camera systems here, so if this one is not functional or you want one that is much nicer, we are able to do that on pretty much any coach. We do highly prefer to install a wired system, as you know that's going to work. Generator start-stop here. It says 190 hours. A little bit of a nick there on the fabric. There's a curtain up here in the bunk you can pull across here for privacy while people are sleeping up here. This is another one of those steel roll bars. There's also a privacy curtain you can pull around the front for privacy while the unit is parked. We also have a small gouge here on the back of the driver's seat. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2005 Born Free 26RB. This motorhome measures 26.5 feet bumper to bumper. We have dual rear wheels and the tires have 4122 date codes. This motorhome is built on a Ford E450 chassis with a 6.8 liter V10 engine with 54,138 miles. A little closer look here at the exterior. Not shine left on this unit. A few small nicks here and there. Nothing you're going to notice as the RV is driving by. Access this from inside of the coach through the door there. Propane tank is mounted to the unit. You have to drive somewhere to have that filled. We have a gauge for filling that. Tell how much is in it. And a valve to shut it on and off. This is the back of the propane furnace. Back of the refrigerator. Easy to access this coach. We have a handle here on the left. as well as here on the right to help you get up and in. Access this storage bay from the inside here through the closet door. Water heater is back over there. 2 AC 110 plug-ins, so you can plug things in out here beneath the awning. Coming around now to the back of the motorhome. Ladder for rooftop access. Water heater exhaust. Storage bays. Access the hitch pin. Another storage spot. Access the back of the plumbing in the shower. Hitch is always nice for your bike rack or tow vehicle. Coming around out of the driver's side of the coach. Fill the onboard freshwater tank here. City water in here. This will provide the pressure from the hose to get the water out of the onboard freshwater tank. You'll use the water pump. Outside shower, wash your boots off after a hike, wash your feet off after a walk on the beach. Keeps the mess outside of the RV. We have a coax in here if you're staying somewhere that has TV. Nice little work light. Fill the engine. It's gonna run the generator as well down to around a quarter tank, so you cannot strand yourself. Sewer dump down here. You're gonna pull your black first, then your gray. Got 30 amp shore power. Inflate, deflate, check the pressure on your rear airbag suspension. Storage you can access from inside or outside of the coach through the door beneath the sofa here on the driver's side. 2 coach batteries, Generac 4K, gasoline generator. There's the exhaust for that. A little more scaling on the Born Free on the front. Sometimes you see that when there's more sun, where the RV is stored on one side or one part of the RV. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers.
Alrighty folks, time for the rig report here today on this 2005 Born Free 24RB. The tires have date codes of 4122. We do have a new engine battery as well as new coach battery. The engine oil has been changed, the chassis has been serviced, and we do perform a DOT safety inspection so that you can feel comfortable taking this rig out on your next adventure. If you are new to our channel, I only try to hit the highlights in our rig reports. This is not all inclusive of everything that we've done to this coach. I just try to hit some of the high points to give you a little bit of an idea of what we do to our coaches. This one received new carpet in the living area as well as and all the way up in to the cab up there. So brand new carpet from front to rear. Both of these couches are brand new. The old ones were worn a little bit, so we installed 2 new jackknifes in here. And we also got a brand new 24-inch flat screen TV with DVD player in it. If you have any questions on this Born Free, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV at 440 Ohio RVs.